All right, so you're going to make an attempt to create a favicon for your Webstarts website. A favicon is a short for favorite icon. For companies, it's usually their logo or a very simplified version of their logo. If you notice up in MrJaffe.net, I've got a little Mr. J. See what I'm looking at the top left corner of my screen here? Mr. J right there. That's a favicon or fav icon or favorite icon. And I want you to get a chance to make one right now. So, just real quick though, I'm going to show you Google's. So go to Google. So you can see Google, there's their G, their colorful G. And so that's what a favicon is. And let's go make one. There's different ways you could do it. We could do this in Photoshop, we could do this in Illustrator, but since I haven't really talked to you about those programs, there's also some online tools, some online editing tools that you can use to do it that's made just for making favicons. So I've got one on my website, or a link to one on my website. So you have to go from MrJaffe.net's homepage, right, where I'm at here, to the media class page, and then go to links, and then go to internet and www, and you can see at the very bottom, cascading all the way down, is the favicons. Click that icon, and there gets you to this favicon generator. I'm going to take you there again just in case you missed it. If you're here right now, this is what you see. Stand by. I got to go get the rest of the class that aren't here with you yet. Again, MrJaffe.net homepage, right? Then go to links. No, go to media class. Then to links. Internet and www. That opens up to this list, and the last one is favicons. Now, from here, we want to go to the favicon editor link that you see right here. So I'm going to click that, and this is where I'm going to go ahead and create my favicon. You're limited to just this many pixels, this matrix, this X by Y matrix. And you have lots of colors to choose from though. There's a color bar here that you can slide and pick a range of colors that show up in this box of color or this square of color, and then you've got to actually move or select an actual shade or color from inside that two-dimensional square, and then you can draw, so whatever cell you click on becomes that color. Okay, so maybe I want to make a little bar right here. Notice that it shows you the preview at about the size it's going to be. So remember, this is very small because it's going to fit on the address bar just to the left of your web address. Do something like this. Oops. Oh, and if you make a mistake, use the eraser. Okay, and go back to the color. Oops, go back to the draw mode. Ooh, did it again, eraser. Okay. So let's say I'm done. That's the favicon I want to make. I want you guys to take some time though and play around with this. You can use all of class if you want, and play around with different looking ones. Okay, but when you're done, you want to create the favicon, this button right over here, and then you want to download the generated favicon right here. It might not give you a preview, but you just want to click right here, this link, download the generated favicon. Click that, and it will download to login for the Mac. Alright, and when we get back together, I'll show you guys how you can take that, find it first, and how you can take that and upload it to Webstarts. Okay? Good luck.